Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Carole and this is Journaleclectique. I had started a project which was in April, but there was a lot of Facebook challenge. So this is my three cover journal. So there are three style cover in this journal, and I will stack them together in order to make one journal. What's special about this journal is also that I'm using everything that's around me. So I will be using the leftover papers from the Facebook groups. I will be using anything that I found around me, which is a lot. And also I'm going to be using the papers that I printed but did not use. So this is what I call a Tusky journal, because it's made out of everything, and Tusky means in French tout ce qui est. Donc Tusky journal. This will be also more of a process video, since I basically made the journal while watching something, and this is really the way that I like to try things out and see if I can blend different styles together. So that the steampunk theme was from Nonstop Papercraft challenge for April. Now this junk journal kit, if you like, is one that I don't exactly like. So this is why I decided to use it, simply because it did match the 12 by 12 paper pad that I've been trying to use up, which I'm not finished with. I'm really wondering when I will. And the pink and green was actually playing well with that paper pad, so I decided to finally use this. It's not a very good quality junk journal kit as we are used to, I guess, with the freebies on the Facebook groups of several creators. But it was already printed and I didn't want to just throw it out. So I decided that I was going to use it and make it work in this journal that everything will go into. My primary job here will be to make sure that everything fits. So if you are curious about how I will be doing this and what I will be putting in this journal, keep watching. There will be in all, I believe, 4 videos, and I will be very happy if you stay and watch, and if you subscribe to my channel, and if you can leave a comment too, that'll be very nice. And after this, then I will let you watch this video with some music. So thank you, and I'll see you probably in the next video. Bye! So a bit of precision here. My signature, I didn't do it as usual. I'm taking the page that were already printed and I'm applying glue on one side and I'm stacking them up one on top of the other. This way I won't have to waste any ink on papers I don't really like and that I'm going to try to change anyway. So this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm only gluing one side at a time and I'm stacking them up. I also made some indentation for some, so there will be big pockets inside the two page. There was also a lot of papers like these, so I decided to make a huge pull-out page. So this will be about I think three or four pages together. I'm gluing the little sides like these together, so they will hold the next page, and I will be able to pull them out all in one go. It's really nice. So I forgot to press the record button to do this collage paper. I didn't like at all the cover, the first cover on this page. and decided that I was going to make a collage with everything that I had around me, and now I'm going to glue it on the outer cover for the journal. I really liked it. I was a bit mad at me for that. It was fun to do, as any collage is once you get into it. I really hope you're enjoying this video. It kind of shows you that just because you don't like some papers, you're not exactly stuck with them. You can use them, cover them, embellish them. And all the journal page, they are glued on one side and just stacked together. This is how I made my reference book. I only used, you have a lot of work paper that are only printed on one side. I used that, so the printed side was the sides I glued, and the other side that had nothing on, it's the one I used to record my findings and such. So I will leave you on that. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and a thumbs up, and of course there will be a freebie on my coffee. There's also a lot of freebies on my coffee. You can look through them, and they will eventually make a nice coherent journal kit, and it's free. So this is what I call my three-fold, my three cover journal. So there are three main pages to my journal, and I stack them in the middle, so they will be glued there, and that will kind of make three cover for my journal, if it makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be three more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.